What's up, everybody? If you click this video, you're looking for a way to get yourself Photoshop, so let's not waste any time and let's get right into it. So in this video description, you will find a link, and that link will take you to this page. When you get to this page, you might have to create yourself an Adobe ID, but after you do, you will see what I'm seeing here. So basically what this is saying is that CS2 is no longer supported, and it might not work with your operating system. I have not found this to be the case. It works just fine, so after you read this, make sure to click I accept, and come down here and find the language that you are looking for. Me, personally, looking for English. After you select your language, you need to scroll down till you see Photoshop CS2. Select either Mac or Windows. I'm on Windows, so I'll select Windows, and it shall start downloading. While Photoshop is downloading, make sure to grab the serial number for the version you selected. So I selected this Windows. I will select this serial number, hit copy, and then when you're done, open up the download. I've already downloaded this before, so it's going to ask me if I want to overwrite it. Yeah, you might not see this, but I'll hit yes to all. It's going to start extracting all the files. Hit next. You can read the terms of agreement. And this is where you'll need to input that serial number we just copied. So there's your serial number. Next, 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 install. So when your download's complete, you can head back to your desktop, and you will now have Photoshop CS2 installed on your computer. You're going to have to go through the registration rigmarole when you first open it up, so just type something in there. And now we have a fully functional CS2, so we can open up, say we want to do ourselves a thumbnail. So here we go, full screen. All your tools are on your right or your left here. All your layers are on your right. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, hit thumbs up, consider getting subscribed, and we'll see you in the next one.